Hello! Here are some fun activities and ideas for a beach party. Swimming and water sports. Swimming in the ocean. Surfing or bodyboarding. Paddleboarding or kayaking. Beach volleyball. Games and activities. Frisbee or catch. Building sandcastles. Beach scavenger hunt. Limbo contest. Food and drinks. Barbecue, burgers, hot dogs, grilled veggies. Fresh fruit and snacks. Coolers with cold drinks. S'mores if allowed to have a bonfire. Music and entertainment. Portable speakers for music. Acoustic guitar sing-alongs. Dance area on the sand. Relaxation. Sunbathing. Reading books or magazines. Yoga or meditation by the water. Practical considerations. Sunscreen and shade, umbrellas/tents. Towels and beach blankets. First aid kit. Trash bags for cleanup. Like video. Bye.